traders, hello good people, hello my good people. So as you can see from your chart, we are on a GBPUSD 5-minute time frame. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how we caught this amazing trade with my Telegram channel. Okay, so you can see this is my Telegram channel. This is how we caught this amazing trade with my people. This was yesterday's trade, so you can see, yeah, it was an amazing one and we capitalize on this trade. Yes, so I'm going to show you on how I caught this amazing trade. Okay, so let's go. So this is a trade on a GBPUSD. These are GBPUSD, as you can see from your charts. I'm going to do a small market analysis. Got this trade together with a USDJPY trade. So guys, before I start this analysis, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, amazing channel. And if you haven't joined the free Telegram channel, go and do this. Join, okay? Join the free Telegram channel, okay? Amazing one. So go and join the free Telegram channel. Link is on my bio. Link in the description, not bio. Here we are not on TikTok, so link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, amazing one. Okay, and if it's for the membership, just use the same link and you will text me over there. Okay, yeah. So these are GBPUSD. These are 5-minute time frame. So let's go for my analysis and my strategy. What I teach in the VIP and for the membership, I normally start from the monthly time frame. But for this small analysis, because you had already caught this trade we had already caught this trade with my people. So I'm just going to analyze it starting from the 4-hour, just to get the direction of the market. Okay, so these lines that are just this vertical dotted line, they are session breaks. These are just session break from here to here, 1 day. From one horizontal line to another, it's 1 day. From here to here is 1 day. Okay, so like that. So this is GBPUSD, and GBPUSD, as you all know, it is in a downtrend move. Is in a clear downtrend move. But considering 4-hour time frame, if we come here, we can see there's this does just retracement to form a lower high. Just retracement to form a lower high. Of course, it cannot break this. It won't break this lower high. It won't break this lower high. We're about to start selling this GBPUSD. We're about to start selling it. Let me remove these session breaks. Yeah, now the market is clear now. So from here, so you can see we are right now at this sort of demand zone. Market close is on a Saturday, so there's a high possibility that this market will start moving down, forming another lower low. But in this case, as you can, in this case, as you can see, this market is moving, forming higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So expecting a higher low, yeah, like that. So if you go to 1-hour time frame, I have deleted some of my doings here, some of my analysis, because I wanted the market to be clear. On a 1-hour as well, you can see market was forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, moving to the upside, moving to the upside. Yes, there. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and I'll show you what I was expecting before taking this trade. From 15 minutes, we can see this market was forming higher highs and higher lows as well. This was just a simple strategy: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So how did I get this entry? Let's see how I got the entry. After this, let me show you. After this, so I got the entry. After this higher high, I was expecting higher low, then to buy the market. So from here, I just use a Fibonacci tool. I use Fibonacci tool. So a Fibonacci tool from here, from this lower point here, to here, place fib retracement. So I place this tool, Fibonacci tool, from here to here, and I marked 65 level, 0.661 and 0.5 level. So those level, I went to my trading view and marked that level as this one. So I was expecting this market to reverse, to start buying at that point. Let's delete it. So from this point to where I was expecting this market to start buying from. Okay, and I had this like a breaker block. Yeah, this one. So I had these three confluence. The first one was the market forming higher low, and the third one was this Fibonacci level, and the other one was this breaker block here, this one. Okay, so and there was also this amazing, the fair value gap was around here, and that is how I got this amazing trade, catching about 70 pips. This was a clean 70 pips. It was a clean 70 pips. As you can see, clean 70 pips. So another trade was on a USDJPY, and we closed the trade with profit, but market is still moving to the downside. So this is how my analysis always look like. It always has this purple zone. Yeah, this one, if you want to learn, join my VIP free Telegram channel, link on my bio. Always join that free Telegram channel. Every trade that I take, I normally document it on that free Telegram channel. As you can see from here, I waited for this market to make this. It broke out of this purple zone, then it was supposed to come here, retest, then continue with the sell move to the downside, but my overall trend was a downtrend move. So right now we are still selling it. From here, so you can see it has broke this zone. This is sort of retest, then we continue with the sell move to the downside like that. So join my free Telegram channel. Here's the channel, guys. Here is the channel. As you can see, people are winning. Okay, this was the trades. You can pause the video and watch it. Here's the trade. Winning. We also have this amazing offer here. Okay, just join this Telegram channel and see everything. Amazing one. We are winning. So you can see, this is my student here on a VIP. Got amazing trade. He got an amazing trade. So just join this Telegram channel and win with us. Yes, I hope that's the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. Okay, this is how we make money over here. This is how we make money, good amount of money. As you can see, this is how we make good amount of money.